Hello, hello, hello. My name's George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay, based in Appleton, Wisconsin. And this is 3 things ceramic coating does really well. High gloss, easy to clean, chemical resistant. Those are the big 3 that I sell to my clients. Tomorrow we'll discuss what ceramic coatings can't do. But I like to keep it limited to those 3 because it's really, really good at being high gloss, easy to clean, and chemical resistant. The gloss comes from just sealing in paint that's in great condition. So you bring your new vehicle to a shop local to you, you DIY it, whatever, but as long as you get a polish applied, in most cases, this is enough. Sometimes dealerships mess up cars. There's swirl marks just from lazy wash methods. So paint correction may be needed, even on a new vehicle. Yeah, you get that clear coat in a near perfect state. Chemical coating goes on, ceramic coating, and it bonds to the surface. And you have protection on the clear coat now. It's not bulletproof. It does require some maintenance, which kind of moving into that. It's really easy to clean and it's chemical resistant. So the bird droppings, the bug guts, the pine sap, road tar, salt, whether it's in the air or on the ground, ceramic coatings are really, really resistant to that. And they're very easy to clean because you're taking a larger pore on the clear coat and shrinking it down with a nano coating or a microscopic coating going in there and filling that pore so less can stick. Things stick really well on large pores, really, really poorly on small pores because there's no way to kind of get into that. So those ailments that I was talking about, the big 5, those will come off with minimal effort in most cases. It'll always come off with a 2-bucket wash, a little bit of isopropyl alcohol if needed. But it makes life very easy. There's no more 47-step checklist to wash your vehicle. The goal is ease. And a lot of detailers will sell you on fear of taking care of this stuff just to get you into a maintenance package. That's not how I operate. I've installed over 1,000 coatings. And guess what? The vast majority of those coatings are not sports cars, luxury vehicles that are driven 3 times a year and garage kept. They're Toyotas, they're Fords, it's daily driven vehicles in most cases are going to see the best results from a ceramic coating because they're driven in the elements. So the idea of trying to say that you have to maintain this perfectly is kind of crazy. It's a fear tactic by shops to get you to come back in. Ceramic coating is easy to take care of. And I will have a video discussing ceramic coating maintenance coming down the line. But again, tomorrow we will discuss what ceramic coatings cannot do. Recapping today, ceramic coatings are high gloss, easy to clean, and chemical resistant. If your shop's selling you more, they might be lying. So stay tuned, stick with us through the ride, and have a good one.